Hey designers, this is Miss Stapp here with the final piece that goes in your web page, and that is your works cited. So you will be creating works cited from A1, which is your problem statement, as well as A4, which is your problem brief. And everything mentioned in there, including your interview or survey, need to be on your works cited page. Okay. I'm also talking about ideas that you used, anything you paraphrased, and anything in quotes, definitely. And this is what my works cited page, it is at the very bottom of my web page, maybe in smaller type like this is, but still important that it's there. I did not really spend much time with your bibliography for A1. So now this is what the difference between a 7 and an 8. If you have your bibliography done and done well, you have that hanging indent that you can create here, you have your survey and everything, it's in alphabetical order and done correctly, your in-text citation is done correctly, then you'll be looking at that 8. Okay. If you have any questions about how to do this works cited piece, you can definitely ask me. The other thing is you can look back to where I put in resources, works cited, and bibliography. I have some examples of what in-text citations look like depending on where you got it from. Oftentimes we're doing web pages and you have that structure. Let's see right here, first few words of the web page title. That's how you do it in the text. Lower down below, you will have it will look like this, basic bibliography for MLA. Remember that hanging indent is important, and that is there's an example right here with about a half inch, maybe about 5. It's indented too. That is what your works cited should look like. I will would put it in the appropriate place. For me, that's kind of the bottom, the end of everything on your web page. If you have any questions, again, reach out and let me know what they are. And I bet if you have that question, other members of your crew or your class have that question, and I'll try to answer it for everybody. Good luck on the summative. I look forward to reading them.